Very easy to use. If you want to change the size, you just press format, okay, and then you go up either large, extra large, or go all the way down to extra small. I've had it since the summer of 2019. This thing has helped me with everything. You can also save some of them, insert symbols, and change the settings. Everything through. That's where you can preview what you're going to print. Clear. Oh, yes. So you don't have to go one by one. This will be capitals or lowercase. Excellent, excellent product. Again, I've had it since the summer of 2019. I have used it in the kitchen, pantry, laundry room, and in my office. I moved offices in 2022. This was instrumental in updating and labeling things that I was going to bring either home or to the new office, and as well as my files. Love the product. Amazing.
This label maker has been amazing, and it's so easy to use. You have the on-off button, you just turn it on. Oops, you have to press and hold it. It'll turn on, and then you can just, whatever you want, print. You type it in, it'll print out up here. And then this right here, you'll just click it and it'll cut it. And then you have your label. Very easy to use, and I've been labeling absolutely everything. And it's pretty compact. So yeah, it's been awesome.